obituary honors him.
Honorable Speaker, sir, with profound grief I rise to inform the august House of the sudden and untimely demise of General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Ji, and 11 other armed forces personnel in a tragic helicopter crash on the 8th of December 2021 in Kannur, Tamil Nadu. General Bipin Rawat was born in Pauri, present-day Uttarakhand, on the 16th of March 1958. He was commissioned into the 5th Battalion of the 11th Gurkha Rifles on the 16th of December 1978 and went on to become the 26th Chief of the Indian Army and later served as the first Chief of Defence Staff of the Indian Armed Forces. He had an extremely distinguished career of over 4 decades of selfless service marked by exceptional gallantry. He was conferred with the Parama Vishesh Seva Medal, Ati Vishesh Seva Medal, and many prestigious awards. He expired on the 8th of December 2021 at the age of 63. Sir, the sad demise of General Rawat and all 11 other armed forces personnel is an irreparable loss to the nation. Their outstanding service to our nation will always be remembered. I therefore request you, sir, to kindly convey our sincere condolences to the members of the bereaved families. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.